Welcome back to QuizTerrain. The Collective Noun Challenge is here! This quiz is designed to test your knowledge of specific terms used for groups of people. You'll face 45 questions across easy, medium, and hard levels. Think you've got what it takes? Hit the like button. Let's begin. Starting with the easy level. A group of players working toward a common goal is called A. A team, B. A crew, C. A unit. Answer: a team. Which term describes a group of people listening to a concert? A. A crowd, B. A mob, C. An audience. Answer: an audience. What is the collective noun for a group of singers in a church? A. A band, B. A choir, C. A troupe. Answer: a choir. What is the term for all the actors in a specific movie? A. A cast, B. A staff, C. A panel. Answer: a cast. People working together on a ship or aircraft are known as A. A staff, B. A team, C. A crew. Answer: a crew. A line of people waiting for something is called A. A squad, B. A queue, C. A picket. Answer: a queue. What do you call a group of people convened for a verdict? A. A jury, B. A bench, C. A board. Answer: a jury. A group of musicians playing various instruments together is called A. A choir, B. A band, C. An orchestra. Answer: an orchestra. A group of people working at the same organization is called A. A council, B. A staff, C. A department. Answer: a staff. What is a large, unorganized group of people called? A. A crowd, B. A mob, C. A throng. Answer: a crowd. A small, organized group, often a subset of a larger team, is A. A bench, B. A staff, C. A squad. Answer: a squad. A group of people who manage a company is called A. A senate, B. A board, C. A squad. Answer: a board. What is a group of people gathered for social enjoyment? A. A party, B. A field, C. A syndicate. Answer: a party. A large, disorderly, or aggressive crowd is known as A. A picket, B. A queue, C. A mob. Answer: a mob. What is a group of experts brought together to judge a contest? A. A board, B. A panel, C. A faculty. Answer: a panel. Moving on to the medium level. What is the collective noun for a group of actors or acrobats traveling together? A. A troupe, B. A staff, C. An audience. Answer: a troupe. A group of judges sitting together is referred to as A. A council, B. A panel, C. A bench. Answer: a bench. A group of people gathered for religious worship is called A. Spectators, B. Congregation, C. Crowd. Answer: congregation. What is the term for a body of voters in a specified area? A. A constituency, B. A senate, C. A congregation. Answer: a constituency. A body of people elected to make laws is known as A. Committee, B. Board, C. Senate. Answer: Senate. What term describes a very densely packed group moving together? A. A caravan, B. A throng, C. A party. Answer: a throng. What term refers to all the competitors in a single race? A. A field, B. A squad, C. A panel. Answer: a field. What is the collective noun for a group of people in a beauty pageant? A. A troupe, B. A cast, C. A bevy. Answer: a bevy. A group of people on a pilgrimage traveling together is A. a congregation, B. a caravan, C. a throng. Answer: a caravan. What term is used for a group of people involved in organized crime? A. a syndicate, B. a mob, C. a gang. Answer: a syndicate. A group of protesters standing outside a building is called A. a panel, B. a bench, C. a picket. Answer: a picket. What is the term for a specific branch of a business or university? A. a faculty, B. a department, C. a board. Answer: a department. A group of emergency service workers is often called A. a unit, B. a crew, C. a squad. Answer: a unit. What is the collective noun for a group of students taught together? A. a grade, B. a school, C. a class. Answer: a class. A group of scouts is collectively known as A. a pack, B. a troop, C. a band. Answer: a troop. Moving on to the hard level, a succession of rulers from the same family is known as A. a dynasty, B. an empire, C. a lineage. Answer: a dynasty. An association of craftsmen or merchants is called A. a union, B. a league, C. a guild. Answer: a guild. A group of people secretly plotting together is known as A. a faction, B. a cabal, C. a conspiracy. Answer: a cabal. A group of people attending or surrounding an important person is A. an entourage, B. an escort, C. a following. Answer: an entourage. A solemn procession, especially for a funeral, is called A. a procession, B. a parade, C. a cortege. Answer: a cortege. An advisory, deliberative, or administrative body of people is A. An assembly, B. A council, C. A committee. Answer: a council. A group of people appointed for a specific function is A. A committee, B. A commission, C. A trust. Answer: a committee. A collection of nations or sports clubs combined for a common purpose is A. An alliance, B. A federation, C. A league. Answer: a league. A close-knit group of interrelated families is called A. A tribe, B. A clan, C. A kin. Answer: a clan. A body of men summoned by a sheriff to enforce the law is A. A posse, B. A party, C. A detachment. Answer: a posse. A body of people engaged in a particular activity, such as diplomats, is A. A staff, B. A squad, C. A corps. Answer: a corps. A council of a church, usually convened to decide an issue of doctrine, is A. A chapter, B. A synod, C. A session. Answer: a synod. A large group of people, often used to describe a tribe of nomads or savages, is A. A horde, B. A swarm, C. A mass. Answer: a horde. Which term is used for the teaching staff at a college or university? A. A board, B. A senate, C. A faculty. Answer: a faculty. A formal gathering of persons for deliberation is called A. A meeting, B. An assembly, C. A conclave. Answer: an assembly. And that wraps up the quiz. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments and which level you found the toughest. If you enjoyed this challenge, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more quizzes right here. Thanks for playing, and see you in the next one.